You may find this video helpful if you make or buy handmade needlepoint rugs.
Hi, it's Dave again with Regal Fabric here. We're located in the Boston area and we clean all soft furnishings. This project that we're working on is a custom-made needlepoint rug made by one of our clients here in the Boston area. And earlier videos, with this rug and others, we have shown you if you do attempt to clean it yourself or even to spot clean it. If there's an accident at home, you want to spot clean it, we showed you how to test for color fastness. As you can see, some of the bright colors, especially this color here in front of me, you want to make sure that when you add a detergent to this area, that you don't bleed the colors during the cleaning process, because that may not be correctable. The link for that video is down below. This video is going to show you something else to be aware of. We're seeing more and more of these rugs is they add post-production, meaning when the production is complete, to add dimensional stability to the rug and lock in some of the weave. This yellow-brown material is latex glue. Latex glue over time, and not 20 or 30 years, but it could be as little as 3, 5, or 7 years, breaks down if you haven't used a good glue in powders. So the camera might not be able to pick it up, but I can take this and just squeeze some of these fibers and it comes out and powders up in my hand. So besides testing for colors, what you need to be aware of is if you wet this rug, whether the rug you wet the whole thing or just spot clean it, water, especially hot water, will liquefy this. Then when the rug dries, if you dry it right side up, the moisture will rise and evaporate, but this liquefied latex will wick to the face or to the surface of the rug and can leave a brown or a yellow blotchy mess, which may not always be correctable. So you have to look at this and see if you want to really attempt to clean it yourself. Because once this starts liquefying, there's no reversing it. And if you use something as gentle as woolite and white vinegar, which is what we recommend, you might be okay. Avoid solvents and harsh chemicals. Solvents will definitely liquefy this latex because that's what they're designed to do. Products like Goof Off or WD-40 are made to dissolve solvents. So what you're going to look for is heavy latex on the back of a rug, and if it's old and powdery. If it is, you might want to consult a professional before you attempt to do anything. One trick that we've learned over the years is if you do wash something like this, you should dry it upside down so that if the powder liquefies and then wants to wick up, it'll wick into the back of the rug, not into the face. If you have questions or comments, please leave them below. We appreciate you watching. Hit the subscribe button if you want to see more videos like that, and if you hit the little bell next to that, you'll be notified when the next videos come out. Thanks again. Look forward to seeing you again online.
Don't forget to leave a comment below if there's a special concern you have, a special video you'd like us to produce. We'd be happy to help.